Did you know that the Philippines has a Black Hawk presidential helicopter? The helicopter were purchased in the US from the foreign military sales of the United States Army. The presidential Black Hawk is a S-70A variant helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky, and it was delivered on March 7, 1984. It was given by the Armed Forces of the Philippines to the Philippine Air Force for use of the Office of the President. The Black Hawk presidential helicopter was used by the past president like President Ferdinand Marcos, Cory Aquino, Fidel V. Ramos, Joseph Estrada, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and Benigno Aquino III. It has a total flying time of 3,400 hours. The presidential Black Hawk is the only Black Hawk unit that serves as presidential helicopter in the Philippines since it was delivered in the time of President Marcos. Now that you know that the Philippines has a presidential Black Hawk helicopter, what do you think about it? Just comment down below. And let's see if we can tackle it in the next episode.